All right, folks, a little wrap-up video on the sewer job. This here is the reason that we had to rip out the sewer line. This is a check valve that was buried in the lawn that nobody knew about. It was connected to a clean-out, a clay clean-out that was buried underneath the lawn. Nobody knew about it. And what would happen was when you would have problems with a backup, you would snake it from the inside and the snake would get caught up on this check valve. And as you might be able to see, that the check valve is missing a good chunk of the left side of it. So not only did the check valve do jack shit, it also stopped you from actually being able to snake it out, because you would run the snake out and then on the way back it would get stuck. This was concreted in here to, I think, a 5-inch clay pipe. It's 5-inch inner diameter. So I changed it basically all the way to the sidewalk. Pushed a 4-inch PVC 10-footer as far into the clay pipe as we could, and that's that. I got a clean out and a Sioux Chief check valve there. So that was buried here. It's been about a couple weeks, not much settling. Graded it. Obviously I'll have to regrade it again. And here's the next project. We gotta redo that little piece of sidewalk. It's at a little bit of an angle. That curved piece got crooked a little bit. I fixed it as much as I could. And we're gonna try to mimic this exposed aggregate on this. So this will be our next little video here, see how the exposed aggregate comes out. So I got crushed stone over there. That's like drainage rock. That's basically what I have. And I washed it, get all the dust off of it, and pour some concrete. I'm gonna mix in some Portland that I have, get rid of this shit. Been sitting around forever. I gotta fix the sprinkler line. So we're gonna mix in a little bit of Portland to each batch of concrete here, and we'll see how this turns out. All right, we'll come back to you. Peace.